Good morning to one and all present over here. This is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss the chapter number 4 of mathematics, chapter name determinants. So students, come to the topics. My first definition is determinants. What is determinants? Students, everyone know the matrix, how to solve the square matrix and square matrix, singular matrix, single matrix, null matrix, row matrix, column matrix. So this chapter based on a square matrix, and square matrix, the calculation of square matrix, that is also known as a determinants. So how will you define the determinants? So see the definition. Every square matrix can be associated by a real number. Any square matrix can be associated by a real number or by a number, real number or by a number, which is known as a determinant. So how will you define determinants? Any square matrix that can be associated by any singular number, that is single number or a single particular number, that is known as determinant. Means determinant is the value obtained by solving square matrix. And how will you solve square matrix? Now again I am repeating, every square matrix can be associated by a number which is known as its determinants. So this is the calculation obtained by solving any square matrix. And how will be it is denoted by, or consider, for any square matrix A such that A is equal to Aij, its determinant is denoted by A between two vertical line, or det of A. Now see the example. Det of A or determinant of A is equal to, what you will write in vertical column or vertical line, A11, A12, A13 up to A1M. Similarly, A21, A22, A23 up to A2N. an1, an2, an3 up to ann. So for n square numbers, n square elements, its determinant of A is denoted by determinant of A or A in a vertical line, between vertical line, and defined by this expression. Now see the student, next topic. Determinant of any square matrix of order 1. See, let capital A be any square matrix of order 1 such that capital A is equal to A11. Capital A is equal to A11. Then the determinant of A is denoted by A in vertical line or det of A, and defined by the expression A11. This is A11, unique number. So come to the second topic, determinant of square matrix of order 2. Now see the student, to define the square matrix or determinant of order 2 cross 2, order 2, let capital A be any square matrix of order 2 such that A is equal to Aij order 2 cross 2. This implies, or that is, A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Then the determinant of A denoted by determinant of A or det of A and defined by the expression A11, A12, A21, A22. This implies A11, A22 minus A21, A12. So this is its value. This is unique value of the determinant of order 2 cross 2. So student, again I am repeating, determinant of a square matrix of order 1. How will you explain and how will you understand? First of all, you will consider any square matrix of order 1. Order 1 means this will contain single elements. Consider A11. Then the determinant of A is denoted by A in between two vertical lines or det of A and defined by the expression determinant of A is equal to A11. This is a unique number, so this will be copied. There is no calculation, only a unique number. Similarly, determinant of a square matrix of order 2. Order 2 means it will contain 4 elements. First of all, you will consider any square matrix of order 2 such that A is equal to Aij of order 2 cross 2. This implies A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Then the determinant of A is denoted by det of A or A in vertical line and defined by the expression A11 det of A11, A12, A21, A22. After calculation means cross multiply from top to bottom, this will give positive result, and the bottom to top, when you will multiply bottom to top, this is the calculation. And how it comes? A11 multiplied by A22 means top to bottom, calculation is going from top to bottom, so positive result. Again calculation is going from bottom to top, so it will be negative, so A21 multiplied by A12 with negative sign. So this is the value of the determinant of order 2 cross 2. Now come to the determinants of square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Order 3 cross 3 means order 3. Square matrix of order 3 such that A is equal to Aij of order 3 cross 3. This implies A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is the matrix. Then the determinant of A is denoted by det of A or A and defined by determinant of A is equal to calculation or expression will be in between vertical line A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This calculation will be in between vertical lines. So what will be its value? How you will calculate its value? Its value is first of all value obtained along row, that is A11, A22, A33 minus A32, A23 minus A12, A21, A33 minus A31, A23. Similarly, plus A3, A21, A32 minus A31, A22. So this is its value. Now student, I will discuss about method to find the determinants of order 3. Method to find the determinant of order 3. So for any matrix A, A of order 3 such that A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. How will you find out the determinants of order 3? So I will explain the matrix using row, means R1, using row 1. Row 1 means R1. First, I will explain the matrix or find the matrix value using row extension method. Means expansion along first row. Say student, expansion along first row, you will go through the first row. There are 3 elements in first row. there are three elements in first row, that is A11, A12, A13. When you will see A11, A11 is the element of intersection of first row and first column. So left the first column or first row. A11 this is R1. So expansion is along only R1. So left the first row and first column. You will see A11 is the intersection of first row and first column, and the result, after leading the first row and first column, the arrangement of number A22, A23, A32, A33. See, when you will expand the matrix using row or first row, there are three elements in first row, that is A11, A12 and A13. So first of all I will see A11. So A11 is the intersection of first row and first column. So you will left first row and first column, then the result you will get this type of arrangement. Similarly, A22, A12, not A22, A12, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. See the second elements of first row. So left element will be here, and its position is 1 1 and its position is 1 2. 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, that is even, and 1 plus 2, that is odd. So A12 A21, A23, A31 and A33. Minus sign denotes the even and odd position. 1 plus 1 2 and 1 plus 2 3 and 1 plus 3 4. This is even, this is odd, this is even. So for first element, the position of A11 is at even, so positive, and position of A12 is at odd, 1 plus 2 is 3, so this will be negative. Now for the calculation of A13, so third element is left, third element of first row, that is A13. A13 calculation is here. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is 9 elements. And for third element of first row, its position will be even, because 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, and result will be A13 with positive sign, because 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 and 4 is even, and 4 is even. For even you will set positive. Similarly, A11 will be positive. So left part, A22, A21, A22, A31, A32. Consider equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Now add equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. You will get the result. Determinant of A, that is also symbolic representation of determinant of any matrix. So first equation is A11 in matrix or determinants form, A22, A33, A32, A23. Similarly, minus A12 second equation, A12, A21, A23, A31, A33. Similarly, for first row third element, A13, A21, A22, A31, A32. So I have to solve this all three determinants. So result will be A11 in curly brackets, cross multiply from top to bottom, A22, A33 minus from bottom to top, A32, A23. Similarly, minus A12, that is A21, A33 minus A31, A23. For third, plus A13, A21 cross multiply from top to bottom, A21, A32 minus A31 into A22. So you will see, this is the calculation of determinants A22, A23, A32, A33 and A21, A33 minus A31, A32 or 23 and A21, A32 minus A31, A22. So this is the value of the determinants of order 3 cross 3. Now this is the determinants of matrix A of order 3, and it can be written in the form of also A11 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, A11 A2 to A33 minus A3 to A23 minus, or you can say plus, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 A12 A21 A33 minus A31 A23 in terms of position. And third term means plus minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 A13 A21 A32 minus A31 to A22 square bracket closed. So this is also the determinants of matrix A of order 3 cross 3. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, this denotes the row, and second is column, or also position of elements. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 denotes the position of A11. Similarly, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 A12, and the minus 1 to the power denotes the position of A13.